I bet you didn't know the smell after rain has a name. It's called Petrichor, and its story is tiny, ancient, amazing. Petrichor is the scent released when rain hits dry soil. Plants secrete oils during dry spells, and soil microbes produce geosmin, especially actinomycetes. When raindrops hit, they spray those compounds into the air, and our noses pick them up. The word itself was coined in 1964, from Greek roots meaning stone and the fluid of the gods. Fun fact, humans can smell geosmin at just a few parts per trillion. Next time it rains, breathe in. You're smelling the earth exhaling.